Come all ye seekers near and far to hear a tale so true of Neil the seal from Salem Bay, who grew and grew and grew. A little pup, now big and strong, he comes ashore to molt. Flattening roads and cones he moans, it's really not his fault. Heave-ho, leave him alone, back away, put down your phone. Blimey, speak, the seagulls squeal, bold and brave, Neil the seal. Neil grows both in fame and size, he bellows from his lungs. He's a long, long way from the ocean where fellow seals plunge. 1 ton now, 2 more to go, a menace he's been called, yet captures hearts and lifts up souls on beaches where he's sprawled.
Hey!
Heave-ho, leave him alone, back away, put down your phone. Blimey, speak, the seagulls squeal, bold and brave, Neil the seal. Bollards, utes and rules he scorns, crikey, he's tenacious. Lolling on paths and roads and lawns, chilling somewhere spacious. So raise a brew to this fine fella who only wants to rest. Then test his strength against the world and show us who's the best. Heave-ho, leave him alone, back away, put down your phone. Blimey, speak, the seagulls squeal, bold and brave, Neil the seal. The world's got wise to Neil's crime, but fame he's never sought. Crushing fences, squashing signs, in headlines he's been caught. Let's keep him safe, no need to flock or gawk or take his pick. Enjoy his capers from afar, don't be a total. Heave-ho, leave him alone, back away, put down your phone. Blimey's big, the seagulls squeal, bold and brave, Neil the seal. Neil the seal comes to our shores, he's a global inspiration. He cares not for the local laws, an internet sensation. His rampage is a call to arms, don't even try be stealth. Own your weird, have a snooze, fair dinkum, be yourself. Heave-ho, leave him alone, back away, put down your phone. Blimey is big, the seagulls squeal, bold and brave, Neil the seal.